Welcome back everyone, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make an invisible folder. Yes, it is invisible. It's right there. Can you believe it? I bet you didn't see it. And you can see like its title bar is completely empty. And it's empty as well because I didn't put anything in it. But I'm going to show you how to make it. And what's even cooler is if you want to be even more secretive, if you don't open it and somebody else comes on your computer and tries to open it, and if somehow they found it, you can set up something in which when they open the folder, it will send you an email. I'm going to have to link a video to put a link to someone else's video that can teach you how to do that in the description. It's a little bit technical though, so yeah. Okay, let me show you how to do it. I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to open character map. And that did not work. Character map. Now I'm going to scroll down to about here. Now you'll see all these blank boxes. Now these are all spaces and different things. Like you can see one of them is a right to left changer, basically. So it's meant for languages that are read from right to left or left to right or wherever it is. And it's actually used in a lot of malicious programs where hackers will take an exe file, add .xcod, which is docs in reverse, and it will reverse that into .docs, and it will look like a docs file, but really it's an executable. So yeah, you can choose any one of the blank ones. It really doesn't matter. Then just hit select and copy. I'm just choosing this random one. You can close this out and make a new folder. Now you're just gonna paste it in, Control V, enter. Now it's completely blank there. You're gonna go to properties. If your folders are compressed, like to save space on your hard drive, which I have, you go to advanced. It will show by those little arrows, as you can see right here. And you're going to uncheck compress contents, click OK. Now go to customize, change icon, move over a little bit till you're here, and hit the very bottom blank space. Don't hit the second one, that one's like a black square, but yeah. Now hit OK. Poof. Oh no, that one's a black square. You can tell how easy it is to get fooled by that. Whichever one's not black, because this just changed for me. That was literally just the one that worked. There we go. So whichever one's clear for you. Now it's completely invisible and you can store anything you want. Let's see, I just want to store, I don't know, this random APK file I have. Yay! Now I can close that. What? Oh no, like I actually lost it. Now if you actually lose it in real life, you can take your cursor like this and then just find it. Oh, there it is. Then you can open it. However, that isn't foolproof. For example, when I go to CMD, I think this should work without admin, and I go to desktop, and then I go to dir, it will show, it's showing right here, as you can see. Oh wait, no, not there. So for example, it's right here. You can see that it's completely invisible right there. So it might be hard to make out. I couldn't really find it myself. But you can there's still a chance. So that is where the email, I don't even know what to call it. Let's just call it the email thing comes in. Basically what it does is it uses the desktop.ini file, which you can put internet links to make the icon what it is. And instead of, it will give it a picture as well as log the fact that it got the request for the picture. So yeah, that's how it will know to send you an email. But yeah, that's your invisible folder paradox right here. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share with your friends to get more awesome content. I think it's awesome. Well, sorta awesome. Let's just say good content. Yeah, let's leave it at that. Thanks for watching anyways, and I'll catch you in the next one.